Tell people how should they watch your film. How would you recommend?
I would say that, like when we were in college, we would like make a group together to watch such films. And that's a whole feeling.
Right.
It's not just कि we're going for a movie. It's a whole feeling. People plan कि, ये देखेंगे, इसकी फटेगी, ये कुछ बोलेगा. So I feel like I really hope that all people in school, college,
All
of course,
age.
all age.
How will you watch a horror film? If you really want to enjoy and you've heard good things, say this film, how will you watch it?
This film, though, I'll happily watch it.
But
Otherwise,
otherwise,
a horror movie, I think I'm going to mute it and watch it.
avoided getting out of bed because you were scared.
Yes. Yes.
बाप
Yes.
रे बाप. मतलब I haven't gone to
Washroom.
washroom.
I knew you were I also done this.
And sitting with a very fatu lot.
Yes, you are.
You
Yes,
are.
you are.
And we
And we
three have
take
done a
it
horror
like,
film.
yeah, we can write it.
Guys, nothing like it for someone like me who does so many interviews to interview a nice, energetic, enthusiastic, positive lot of people. So, welcome firstly, and this is
you.
looking fun. I'm going to keep this fun and start with some fun questions.
Okay, then.
Super.
ऐसे जब बोलते हो कुछ tricky आता है हमेशा.
Kuch tricky nahi hai, very simple.
Okay.
Complete the sentence. Our film is entertaining because.
It has a thing which has never been explored before.
Wow. Our film promises
Munja.
what to look forward to.
Lots of entertainment with family.
Right.
Yeah.
Who out of the three of you is genuinely scared? Like of.
Well, all three of us.
three of us.
But from yesterday's conversation,
Yeah.
Who's the most?
Monam, take.
Okay,
Take it,
I'm
take
the
it.
most,
This
yeah.
is you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Who out of the three of you is the prankster who will do that prank कि लोग डर जाए? Set पे या. Oh my God! I should have expected that.
Yeah, he's the one.
Right. The strangest ghost story you heard when you were a child.
Oh,
Who wants to say?
Child.
Who wants to say? Yeah. When you were
Oh,
younger, much
when-
younger, and you got
oh.
scared.
Okay.
Strangest.
Yeah, give me a gist of it. Ki whatever.
Strangest was, my cousin was a lot into her mother's, makeup stuff and everything.
Okay.
So she hid some lipsticks and my masi caught it. And she, you know what she said? Ki chudail makeup le gayi. That's what she said. Yeah. Bachpan mein. Yeah. So we were like, oh wow, what a lame excuse.
Yeah.
हम ऐसे छुट्टियों में कहीं जाते थे ना, तो ऐसे कजन बैठते थे तो बोलते थे कि रात को निकलेंगे नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा ऐसा ये थोड़ा वैसा वाला जोन है, हॉरर वाला, मतलब स्कैरी है. तो हम जाते थे ना, तो हम जिस भी इंसान को देखते थे ना उसके पैर देखते थे क्योंकि हमें बोला गया था कि जो भी होगा ना उसके पैर उल्टे होते हैं. अरे वाह यार, ये तो बहुत ही सही है.
Right. A horror film that gave you sleepless nights.
Horror film that gave me sleepless nights.
Why are you looking at my face?
Yeah.
I think during my times it was definitely that Chucky. That my
Chucky.
name
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
Chucky.
Yes.
It
Yeah.
was so
Child's
scary.
Play,
Yeah, Child's Play.
Yeah.
I got scared of dolls. I never wanted to.
I this Exorcism of
Yeah.
Emily Rose, I have not watched,
Right.
but I'm already so scared that there have been times that I've started it and shut it. So imagine how scared I am that bina dekhe I'm petrified. The minute anybody writes based on true events,
Gone.
Game over.
Yeah.
Right.
Game over.
Which one? Like for you?
Mine could be Conjuring.
Okay.
Yeah.
clap.
Oh, bhai.
Right. The strangest kala jadoo ritual, any of these things that your friends did, and you're like, I'm staying out of it. Y'all can do it.
Strangest Kala Jadoo, I wouldn't call it, but when
Okay.
I was in hostel, we all used to experiment with
Yeah.
the witch board.
Yes, right.
Which was very common.
Common, yeah.
So all girls used to be in our room and we used to be like, asking questions, silly questions. Will I pass? Is my teacher hot? Does my teacher like me?
Whoa.
That jazz.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's interesting.
That's quite
Yeah.
interesting.
So these were the spooky things we used to do.
Ever got good answers?
Yeah, because it was in our control. We used to move the dice.
Right. For y'all, if someone was doing this, are you the one who will participate or you'll say, I'm going out?
नहीं participate but be very scared. मतलब वो होता है ना
Hold
जिनको करना
hands
भी
and
है but करना
participate.
भी नहीं है, फिर
हाँ,
बार-बार
वो-
बोल भी रहे
हाँ.
कि क्यों कर रहे, कैंसिल कर देते हैं, नहीं मत करो.
Right. What about you?
Yeah. Same actually. क्योंकि मतलब डर भी उतना ही लगता है जितना
Correct.
करने का मन करता है.
हाँ.
तो that thing, notorious thing can't go.
Right.
But हाँ, डर भी लगेगा बहुत.
Right. On a scale of 1 to 10, how superstitious are you?
8.
8.
5, 4. 4, 5.
Okay.
So I have all the I've been made to follow the superstition because my mom believes so.
Like yeah.
तो नजर उतारना और ऐसे छोटे छोटे मतलब वैसे परफ्यूम लगा के
काला
बाहर
धागा
जाना,
पहनने
काला
वाला।
धागा
मैंने
पहनना।
सुना है,
हुआ है।
see?
Look at this.
तो वो है तो I'm on a 5.
On a
On a
5.
five.
Okay.
Great, huh?
Right.
Well.
A ghost story that was told to you as a kid or something that you kept spreading.
Spreading.
Or was told to you, ये कर नहीं तो ये आ जाएगा.
So basically, you know, like we were discussing yesterday also that women often were told कि रात को बाल खोल के पेड़ के नीचे मत जाओ, पीपल
Yeah,
के पेड़
that's
के.
true, yeah.
Then there were these kind of, you know, rumors कि मेहंदी लगा के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, भूत आ जाएगा.
खुद ही चुड़ैल
So,
खुद ही लगेंगे.
so keep a small knife under your pillow and sleep.
Okay.
You know, those kind of things.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Keep a
right. Knife under your pillow.
Yeah.
Have you all done
Then
that?
you won't get bad dreams.
Have
you
at
done
night.
that?
I've done it.
Have you done that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
How
I
can you
think
keep
it's
a knife under your
placebo.
pillow?
Yeah.
But
No,
the
no.
pillow
Yeah, what if you
खसक गई तो फिर
सुबह उठ गए.
really?
हाँ, वैसे यहाँ पे मार्क है.
वो भी कवर किया है.
Right.
कल ही लगा.
Yeah. Anything?
Honestly, strangely, so I have heard the कि मुंझा आ जाएगा story.
Okay.
I am from Bombay, but मेरी native place है मोरगांव, and it's based in Maharashtra. So this folklore is quite famous. It has
Okay.
multiple renditions, but हमने काफी सुना है कि खाना खा लो वरना मुंझा खा लेगा खाना types.
Right. The best way to watch a horror film. कैसे देखो?
Only horror.
Yeah, horror. Like if it's not horror comedy, but चलो horror comedy or horror, how will you watch it? There are some people who tell me कि दिन में देखूंगा curtains खोल के I don't want to feel.
Actually मैंने Conjuring तो वैसे ही देखी थी.
Like this.
तो भी मैंने हाँ बंद कर दिया.
I would say that. Best way to watch it, just through your fingers.
Yeah.
That's it. Just
Through
through
your
your fingers.
Right.
Yeah.
How will you watch a horror film? If you really want to enjoy and you've heard good things, say this film. How will you watch it?
This film, though, I'll happily watch it.
But
But a horror movie, I think I'm going to mute it and watch it.
or mute it and watch it.
Yeah,
Smart.
because it's the sound that
Yeah.
plays all the
Right.
tricky games.
Your all-time favorite horror comedy?
Three.
It's 3. Even I would say 3.
Yeah, 3 would be.
Avoided getting out of bed because you were scared.
Yes.
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 बाप
Yes.
रे बाप. मतलब I haven't gone to
Washroom.
washroom.
I knew you were there. I also done
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
I was
So okay, like, how many years ago was this, and how many years ago was these?
For me, it was too recent for me.
I'm sitting with
This is just a
While
year
we were
back when
shooting
we
for
were
Munja.
shooting for Munja.
Yeah.
So there was this hotel where
Okay.
where we were staying in Konkan.
Huh.
So this weird amused thing which would happen that like every team member, I mean all of us who were staying in their own separate rooms, of course, वो ना सुबह 3 बजे उठ जाते थे.
Okay.
Like dot 3 a.m. everyone would say कि यार मैं भी रात को कल मतलब on breakfast table we would discuss.
Okay.
तो तब बोलते थे कि हम यहाँ यार मेरी भी आँख खुली 3 बजे. अच्छा I also woke up for some or the other reason.
हाँ.
तो वो उसके बाद से जो स्टोरीज हुई थी ना 3 बजे उठा तो सही में लेकिन I didn't come out of my blanket.
I used to also get very freaked out. And after a point, actually वो 3 a.m. का बहुत टाइम होने के बाद, because we actually were waking up randomly at 3, I stopped seeing my phone only. I was like, let's not see whether it's 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
So I used to just like keep my phone ulta till the phone doesn't ring for my alarm. I would not see it.
Wow. I'm sitting with a very fatu lot.
Yes, you are.
You
Yes,
are.
you are. And we
three have
take
done a
it
horror
like,
film.
yeah, we can write it.
Okay, so we are right now in Mumbai, in a city, crowded. Suppose in the middle of night, 2 o'clock, we are doing this interview, suppose. And I tell you, ये end पे ना कुछ तो है. Who out of the 3 of you will go walk and see that and come back?
Not me.
Not me.
Here in this city, here.
No,
Not me.
Not me.
I think I would go.
हाँ, you
ये
would.
देखो.
इन्हीं के ऐसे ही
Same
होते
चीज़,
हैं.
yeah.
मैं तो एक्चुअली सबसे पहले हॉरर फिल्म में यू फील लाइक यार तुम ही इडियट हो.
एक ही होता है.
You called for it. You went
You
there.
asked for
You
it.
could have walked the other
Other
way.
way,
You
yeah.
could have
Yeah.
slept back in bed. You could have not opened your eyes. But
Yeah.
no.
No.
That's why he
That's
has
Abhay, that's
Munja on
Abhay.
his back.
Yeah.
The ideal casting.
Right.
Chill
Who out of you guys has had some kind of a supernatural experience in life?
Oh, बाप रे.
Supernatural experience. Well, I had a weird experience, which
Whoa.
was, when I was studying in Pune. So I had a small scooty and I was going back home after partying with friends. So there was this lady who at the starting of the bridge was asking for a lift. So I obviously did not stop. And when I crossed the bridge, the same lady was standing there and,
Asking
That is
asking for a
scary.
lift, and I was like, lag gayi.
Yeah.
Oh
Wow.
God.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So
Wow.
it was spooky.
Yeah. Any supernatural experience of friends or family, someone close by who like,
Not really, but I there was a time when I used to get really scared of all of these stories, but I used to listen to Jose's podcast. Has anybody ever heard that? It's all
Yes.
about supernatural.
Yeah.
Yes.
I loved
he's
it.
super.
I loved it. So me and my friends used to sit together and watch Jose, hear Jose's podcast and get very terrified.
Right.
And also, but he's also very funny.
He's
He's
funny.
also very
Yeah,
funny.
he's very funny.
He's
I
actually
love
the
him.
perfect combination of his podcast was perfect. 'Cause
He's
you can
so-
laugh
yeah.
and get scared.
Yeah. So talented. Right.
Just like Munja.
Yeah.
Visited a haunted house. Any of you?
Yeah.
Where? Where did you?
It was
find
actually, if I may say so, I was in school and I bunked my school for the first time. And I went with a friend. And the haunted place was just opened in. I belong from Panipat, so it was just opened and it was a new thing. Or it was सब कि haunted house खुला, haunted house
Oh,
खुला.
like an activity house.
like-
Yeah, that
yeah,
activity house. But
Activity haunted house.
Yeah,
Activity
even
house.
I've done that.
Yeah.
Even
Of
I've
course
done
I've
Okay,
done
then
that.
all of
yeah,
you.
that.
that. Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah. No,
Otherwise,
he's
real
real
haunted
haunted.
house.
उसने बोला कि haunted है.
कि like you
ये
said, your
हवेली
cousins
haunted
would
है.
say, you know, when y'all would get
Oh,
together, ये घर में
that.
कोई रहता था, someone died, this, that. Would you go to that house?
Would I go?
If it's empty, खुला हुआ है, will you go?
Daytime में तो फिर भी it's possible. Night में
Will
तो-
you go?
No, I will never.
Will you
go.
Never,
Sorry.
like
Never.
I said. Calling for it.
You are actually the perfect audience for this film. I can totally imagine. Right.
Audience for the film.
Right. This was a question. Had a sleepover with cousins or friends and did horror things. So you obviously, I guess, with your cousins have.
100%. 100%.
Like, what would you
Yeah.
do, for example?
Like we would go on holidays और वो ऐसे दरवाजे पे knock करके फिर वो भाग जाना और उनका निकलना. Of course, our own family members only.
हाँ.
But then doing those little things यार मतलब बचपन में that made it interesting.
You know, there was this thing I remember very strangely. 'Cause, you know, there was someone's wedding and they were not my first cousins. But you know, एक हो जाता है कि कभी शादी होती है घर में, destination में, तो उस age के सारे
Cousins
friends
हैं,
बन जाते हैं. मतलब वो
हाँ.
cousins ही हो जाते हैं.
Right, right.
And there was this one girl who was very interested in telling us these like scary stories and I was very young.
Right.
कुछ तो था कि मिरर के सामने 3 बार ऐसे कुछ बोलोगे तो पीछे से चुड़ैल आ जाएगी. You know, for many years after that, and my mind used to want to say it, and I used to tell myself, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
So cool. So clearly, y'all are the best audience for this. You know, when you're shooting a horror film, how much of it do you understand? Ki what will it look like?
See, it is the director's vision one has to
Right,
follow
right.
because especially with when you're talking about a heavy loaded CGI film.
Correct, yeah.
You know, so the director has to be very technically, you know, fit for it and
Mm-hmm.
make you understand that, you know, there are certain points that you have to look at and
Okay.
stuff. So
It's too technical.
It's too technical.
Right.
So you have to go with that because otherwise you will be imagining Munja here and
Yeah.
wo kahin aur hai. So yeah, the size, the way it is going to come out,
Hmm.
all that it's a director's call, and so I think in such movies it gets a little difficult.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So, you know, when you would have these friends and whatever cousins get together or going out or something, who out of the three of you was the bakra who they'll scare, and who's the prankster who will be a part of the group who'll scare?
I think I'll become the bakra.
You'll become the bakra.
Yeah, I get a feeling from you.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Because they know all know you're scared.
Yeah, they all know.
Yeah.
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 Would you be the bakra or would you
No,
scare?
no. Because I was a very like, you know, I was like this
Bully.
Yeah.
bully. What?
Yeah. This,
No, but I was like this person who would give back. Even if I'm scared now, I would have this defense of, you know, like fighting with someone or I don't know,
Yeah,
picking
yeah.
a fight with someone. I could do that very easily. I used to fight with a lot of people when I was a kid.
Yeah, I can vouch
Yeah.
for that.
what about you? Bakra or you're the part of the group?
So first the bakra and then
Then
get
badla.
back with the revenge.
Then
badla.
badla.
Then badla.
Right.
Oh, wow.
Then badla.
Right. Okay, tell people how should they watch your film? How would you recommend and how would you recommend? How would you recommend? कैसे देखनी चाहिए?
See, I know one thing for sure. This is a horror comedy, which
Okay.
you know we all are definitely going in for.
Okay.
And I think it'll be great if you can go with your friends, with your family,
Hmm.
just have a good laugh and forget about all your tensions and worries
Yes,
and
it's fun.
just have fun.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I would say that, you know, like when we were in college, we would like make a group together to watch such films. And that's a whole feeling.
Right.
You know, it's
Yeah.
not just कि oh we're going for a movie. It's a whole feeling. People plan कि you know ये देखेंगे, इसकी फटेगी, ये कुछ बोलेगा. So I feel like I really hope that all you know people in school, college,
All
of course,
age.
all
Yeah.
age. But I would say that people in college should just like kind of come together. The kids in
Yeah.
school and they should just make a plan, and because they'll have memories for a lifetime. Like
True.
we have memories with our friends
Right.
of horror films.
Right, right.
You know,
Yeah.
so I
Yeah.
think that if we can recreate something like that for people.
Right.
And those are the best memories actually,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
one can
Which
have.
you all are
you
still
know?
talking about. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
किसी का तो
absolutely.
pet name फट्टू बन ही जाता है. I'm sure everyone
और
has
यहाँ
a
पे
फट्टू.
तीनों का है.
I think हम हमारे ग्रुप के फट्टू हैं.
हम अपने अपने ग्रुप के आगे हैं, बट्टू मिल गए.
Oh God.
Yeah. Tell them how should they watch it.
I think they are keeping, I mean, the two reasons always intact, but the reason of this film has this unique thing which is coming out as a CGI,
Right.
not just character, it's a CGI actor itself. So this thing is very unique, which is being introduced in the film industry for the first time.
Okay.
And we three of us are very excited to be the host of it. So, I mean, that's a unique reason to watch this.
Super. When you all watch it, I would really like one camera on you. I want to watch that for as much.
Actually, a good
Yeah,
idea.
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
BTS
Yeah.
Munja.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Great. Thank you. Going by this interview, I can't imagine what fun you all have had while making this, and that's why it will show here. Also,
Thank
best
you.
of luck.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much.